Let's go on a 21 kilometers run with me.
Feet hit the ground like
6 km check-in. Total time 40 minutes. First view of the day. Kurma. 2 biji kurma.
to the beat of the night.
15 km to go. 15 kilo lagi. Come on, let's go.
In shadows, moving fast. Every step makes
Okay, sekarang ni kita ada dekat Taman Metropolitan Kepong. 10 km. Halfway already. Sikit lagi. Let's go.
breath sinks with the rhythm.
Okay, 11 km. 1 hour 18 minit. So kita berhenti kejap untuk solat subuh. Dan kita akan continue lagi. Come on, 10 km lagi. Let's go. Alright, okay. Sekarang kita akan baru mula untuk larian, untuk sambung larian. Tadi 11 km, so ada lagi 10 km. Okay, kita mula second fueling. 2 biji kurma lagi. Alright, let's go.
To the beat of the night.
15 km, 1 hour 48 minutes. Final fuel. 2 biji kurma lagi. Okay, 6 km to go. Let's go. Sekarang ni 17 km, 2 hours 3 minutes. Boleh lah dapat 21 kilo under 2 jam 30 minit. Let's try, let's go. Alright guys, 21 km selesai. Overall time tak dapat 2 jam 30 minit, tapi dapat 2 jam 34 minit. It's okay, boleh improve lagi. So let's go. See you on next run. Bye bye.